Hi everyone, it's Miss Blue here. I just wanted to walk you guys through step 2 of your Angry Birds Parabola project just to make sure that you're clear on what I'm asking you for at each step along the way. So here's an example of what some of your bird trajectory graphs might look like. Here our independent variable x represents the horizontal distance that the bird's flight went on, whereas our y-axis, our dependent variable, represents the height of the bird as it's moving along its path. So part one rather of step 2 asks us to find the maximum height of the bird. Now the maximum height of the bird is going to occur at the vertex up here, and the height again is the y coordinate. The horizontal distance is the x, but the height is the y. So if I'm looking for the maximum height, I'm looking for the y coordinate of the vertex, which for this particular bird is 4.5. So that would answer step 2, number 1. Step 2, number 2 is asking us for the axis of symmetry for the parabola that defines the bird's height. Now remember, the axis of symmetry is a vertical line that passes exactly through this vertex. So the equation for it is going to be given by the x-coordinate of the vertex. In this particular case, the x-coordinate of the vertex is 3.5. So if I wanted to, I'm just using Desmos as an example here, I could type in the vertical line x equals 3.5, and here it shows up for me in green, and there is my axis of symmetry there. It's the x-coordinate of the vertex, it's x equals 3.5. So that's step 2 of your project, numbers 1 and 2. So now for step 2, number 3, we need to find the distance traveled by the bird over its flight. This is talking about the horizontal distance that the bird has traveled. So when the bird launches from the ground, they're at the coordinates 2, 0. And when they land, this particular bird lands at the coordinate 5, 0. So I'm going to take those two x coordinates 5 and 2 and I'm going to subtract them to get 3. So over the course of its flight, launching from the ground, heading to its maximum height of 4.5 and then heading back down to the ground, the horizontal distance that the bird has traveled is 3 units. So just so you can see what that work would look like, again, just to review, the maximum height would be the y-coordinate of the vertex, which is 4.5. The axis of symmetry is the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is 3.5. And then the distance traveled was 3. I hope this helps. Keep asking questions. I'm really looking forward to seeing what your final projects look like. Miss you guys. Hope to see you soon.